An e-commerce app burst into the US market, completely flooding social media feeds. They bought 5 separate multi-million-dollar ad spots during a single Super Bowl, telling everyday consumers they could shop like a billionaire. The brand was Temu. Suddenly, Americans were buying kitchen gadgets, clothes and electronics for $2 or $3, all shipped directly to their doors with 0 shipping fees. Competitors like Amazon were baffled. How could a company survive selling everything for almost nothing? The answer was a terrifying corporate strategy. It is known as Blitzscaling. In traditional business, you build a product, find a profit margin, and grow slowly. Blitzscaling flips the script entirely. It prioritizes hyper-growth over efficiency, intentionally burning cash to capture the entire market. For every single order Temu shipped into the US, the company was losing an estimated $30. They were not trying to make money today. They were executing a calculated financial land grab, using a multi-billion-dollar war chest to subsidize prices so low that rivals could not mathematically compete, locking in over 100 million American users before ever trying to turn a profit. The most dangerous competitor in the world is not the one with the best product. It is the one willing to lose billions of dollars longer than you are willing to fight them.